What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're out here at Roxboro Motorsports Park. We just got here, no prep. It was supposed to happen yesterday, but there was a lot of rain, but they shoved it back to today. You can see we got beautiful blue skies. Unfortunately, anytime you do that, you're only gonna have a local crowd when you slide a race back just a day. So hopefully we'll have 4 or 5 cars out here in the all out. They got 3 or 4 classes. They got a street class, an all out class, and I think there's one other one, like a daily driver or something. I don't remember what all the classes were. But hopefully we'll have a good time. It looks like there's a lot of street cars out here, so there's going to be a decent amount of street cars for sure. But for the all-out, I don't know how many we're going to have, but we're going to have a good day of testing regardless. We need to get some data on the new Hughes torque converter and see how this thing works. So one of the things too, I mean, we're going to just leave the Hoosiers on. It's probably more of a Mickey Thompson day. Got Chase out here, Milton, Chris over there. He's over here too. Randy's on the way. Brandon's on the way. So they just called us to the tower for check-in and let us know what's going on. The pollen is out. So they did scrape it. They're not prepping it. Still got a good rubber base. I should have Mickey Thompson's on for this. This right here will come around after a few passes.
Thank y'all for coming out. Kind of short notice, but my name's Beaumont. First round, we're going to do daily driver, street car, and then your outlaw guys.
All right, guys, so first pass went pretty good. It went really close to what I was expecting it to go, but the data log looks completely different. I'm gonna show y'all what the data log looks like next week. I'm gonna do a video just on the way this Hughes Converter is behaving. I'm gonna have to sit down and look at it, but basically there's no lull at all now. It goes up, it just is a nice gradual pull up. It went through the RPM, through the finish line. I let off at like 7,200 RPM. Now I still don't have dry shaft data. So what we did, the starting line looks pretty good. So we're going up now. They just called us for second round. This is the guy we got to race. Our first round, Robert, he crashed his car, got into pollen, which is unfortunate. But we're going to do the best 2 out of 3 basically now. Well, not 2 out of 3, but we got to race. The first one to lose 2 is a loser, essentially. So here we go, pushing up for second round. Got up here too. So we got to race this round. Good luck, sir. Be careful.
Take it easy on.
Woo, boy, it's a little sketchy out there. All right, so I guess we just got to flip for lanes, or you want us to draw? I cannot believe I did not bring a flip coin. Wanted to flip. Look, here we are. I got like 300 at home.
Hey, I was gonna ask you, since it's only us, do you want me to final round? Want to take some money? I ain't got enough nights to make a third pass.
Oh, you don't? Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Right.
I mean, it doesn't matter. Somebody.
I got another ball from 10 fits on that joke.
Oh no. Okay, so we are not doing double rounds. So that's fine. So this is winner take all in the second round here.
All right, we're gonna do some coin toss here.
Okay.
Who goes the furthest?
You do it first.
Call it in there.
Tails.
Heads it is.
Heads it is.
I'll take right lane.
Okay, sounds good. Be careful.
Yeah, you do.
Yes,
Good
sir.
luck.
Yes, sir. Got the win. Woo! Boom. It run good that round. Thank y'all. I appreciate y'all for the help coming out. I think he actually treed me and out 60-footed me. The car. Neil was like, oh yeah, he did.
He didn't want none to come 330 though.
That instant green is tough though, man. It's just the instant green's hard for me. And it's like you look at it and you're like, oh, it's green, let's go. And then you got a terrible light. So that was a good pass. So we made 2 passes. They're thinking about trying to get like an all group together with a cash days. I don't know how many people will jump in.
Basically went 200 on the light.
Yeah. Oh, is it that bad? Oh my God. Yeah, that was pretty bad light. Woo! First one was a lot better than that. But yeah, okay. So I had bad light, real bad light. But so yeah, so we had fun. I did not red light. That's right. I did not red light. All right, so here goes the winners. What class were y'all in?
The daily driver class here at Roxboro.
Y'all were in the daily driver class. This is Chris. Y'all are on the LS Nasty channel all the time.
all the time.
Look,
Shout out.
John Dot, he's over here today. He claims this is a factory motor in this thing.
Gen 1 block, Gen 1 in it. All stock internals.
It's fast.
Yeah.
You want to tell how fast it was?
Not fast enough. Not fast enough.
Y'all won. What do you mean it wasn't fast enough?
Can we get fast enough to outrun a Hellcat?
Hellcat,
full boat on
Hellcat.
Fast enough to run a G8 with, what was that, Pro Charger?
Yeah, 408 LS.
It looked good. It looked
working.
So
it works good.
So we ain't sharing no times. It's a no time car.
No grant.
60 foot went faster than his. Mixed up here.
But this is a legit street car.
Yeah, daily driver.
He drives to school every day.
We got the college sticker in the back. So you can walk without getting
Street car, daily driver, out here blasting it. Got to win. All right, guys. Congrats.
Turbo John today.
All right, guys. Well, that's going to wrap it up. We are done for today. We made 2 passes. I'm digging the Hughes Converter. That thing is awesome. It looks like it is locking up tight down track. We went 135 miles per hour. I don't have any drive shaft data, so I don't know exactly what the slip was, but it felt pretty good. It feels real similar up top as my other converter did. But the difference is this thing really, really is loose early. And that's what we want. It doesn't hit the tire. I swear, the 60 foot it went was not super fast, but it felt like it could do that anywhere. Now, I could be wrong, but we'll find out hopefully next weekend at Union on those sketchier tracks where it's from the real rough stuff from the back end. All right, guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Go to turbojohnracing.com to pick yourself up some merchandise. Later.